Lever guns, tactical lever guns. Are you into them? This is a Henry X model in 3030. We got her decked out with the Ranger Point Precision hardware on it, both the stock and the fore end. Also got a SIG Romeo 5 on it. We got a video coming up on this pretty soon. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. Oh, and spoiler alert, these guns make great suppressor hosts. So stay tuned to the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow along, and we'll see you at the range. You ready? Yep. Tactical guns. Oh, fuck it. This is going to take forever.